Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to turn off app permissions in Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First method to turn off app permissions in Android is by tapping that specific application, long press, click app info, and then here you have to scroll down and look for permissions. Tap on permissions. To turn off any features here, all you have to do is to set all of this from allowed to denied. To do that, you have to tap each and then click deny. Go back again, tap, click deny, and so on. In this way, you have turned off app permissions in Android. So you can just basically do it to all applications that you want your permissions to be turned off. You can also go to settings, go to app management, app list, go to the specific application, and then turn off permissions. As you can see, I have turned off all its features and also I have turned off this app's permission. You can do that to other application if you want. For example, I want to turn off permissions to my Twitter account or Twitter application too. Go to app info, go to permissions, and then denied all features here. As easy as that. So that's how to turn off app permissions in Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.